Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin weekly analysis and daily analysis for today, Monday, 14th of October of 2024. Well, the last week we were in this candle, closing this candle, and I was expecting some continuation, so not some continuation, some change of the direction, but to the upside, because Bitcoin entered in this fair value gap, passed completely through unrespected and closed over. So I was expecting a movement to the upside. Well, it happened, but first of all, it moved to the downside. And last week we marked this midpoint of this huge wick, and Bitcoin respected. Didn't close below this point. Sorry, let me remove the magnet. Didn't close this point, so and close over the fair value gap again, respecting this. So Bitcoin respected these two things: respect the midpoint of this wick and respected the fair value gap again. So basically, it was an indecisive week. Bitcoin goes up by 0.08%, so nothing practically. So for this week, what can we expect? Basically, we will mark the same. This is a very typical behavior of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin want to continue being bullish, need to respect this midpoint, A44.6. This is the midpoint of the wick. This is treated as support for the price. So the important thing is that this week Bitcoin don't close below here. Of course, below here will be super bearish, but at least need to close over here, doing the same as the last week, just maybe touching this point and bouncing immediately, or starting to or touching this fair value gap like it's doing exactly right now. The daily candle just opened, I don't know, 48 minutes ago, and touching this point and then starting to go up. The important thing is that this week Bitcoin need to close over the high of the last week, and ideally, not ideally, but it's better to close over here, and much better if it close over here. These are the three important zones, guys: the high of the last week, the high or the open of the week before, and the high of the week of 23 of September. These points are super important. A lot of resistance to the upside. We have a lot of resistance here, but I think Bitcoin, when it managed to close over here, it will pass through this point in just one big weekly candle or daily candle, as I expected, like I don't know, maybe near 10K candle, because Bitcoin is been sideways a lot this year, basically all since March of 2024, and it's accumulating a lot. It already picked up liquidity to this mitigation block that we talked about before it happens. So I think now is the time that Bitcoin, maybe the worst case, touch here and start to go up. If Bitcoin this week don't close over here, that will be a bad sign, and maybe it will continue going down the rest of the year, and maybe the next year it will continue going up. But for now, this is super important that Bitcoin need to close at least over here, better here, and ideally over here. In 1 week, Bitcoin can do it basically very fast, because it just need to go up by 5.78% at least and close over there, and that can make it in 1 day without a problem. Okay, guys. So this is the analysis for this week. I'm bullish with a little retracement, maybe to this place, but I'm expecting continuation at least to here, or better here. And continuing to the daily analysis. Let me remove this, because my graphic, we have a lot of lines. I don't want to have more. Well, in yesterday video we talked about that here we have resistance in this fair value gap we just inverted. Here we have another fair value gap that Bitcoin managed to enter and bounce, and now is entering again. And here we have another fair value gap that was inverted. This is the last part, the last zone of a, well, not the last zone technically. The last zone is the open of this huge candle, but this could be the last zone before for some kind of support of the price. Okay, so I'm expecting a little downside the first days of the week, maybe to touch the midpoint of the week that we just marked. But for example, Bitcoin can retrace a little bit today, Monday, retrace a little bit, and then manage to close here, and then for example Tuesday continue going down, touch the weekly point that we talk about, pass through a little bit, touch this point, and then started to go up. That could be a very likely scenario, but we need to see. But for now, if Bitcoin did that, it basically can continue going down, swipe this, and maybe we can respect this zone. So for now, in the weekly time frame, we are bullish, but in the daily time frame, we are bearish for today, Monday, because I think Bitcoin, the first days of the week will retrace a little bit, maybe Monday, Tuesday, and this week. Let me check. Let me check. Oh, we don't have news until Thursday. Retail sales on Friday. Yeah, I think basically Bitcoin can retrace a little bit at least today, Monday, and then continue going up, because here we have 2 points of resistance to the price, and we have a lot of liquidity in that place. Okay, so for now, guys, in the daily, a little bearish retracement. I don't expect Bitcoin continue going up today, Monday, maybe tomorrow, Tuesday, but today, Monday, we can retrace a little bit, and maybe Tuesday touch this zone, or maybe here that we talk about in the weekly, and then go up during the second part of the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, for example. Okay, so this is the analysis, guys. Hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.